Authorities and locals have spent the day cleaning up after a quick but wild storm thrashed parts of the central west overnight. In Cowra, some residents say it was the worst they've seen, with the short, wet spell uprooting trees and damaging homes.
Local SES were there with open arms, helping residents pick up the pieces today.
We had in excess of 15 calls in half an hour.
It began in Cowra with a light show, but turned ugly fast. Flattened sheds, flying trampolines and damage to backyards.
It might feel heavy to you, but when Mother Nature decides to do something about it, she can lift it up.
This resident on Dale Street, north of Cowra, says while the storm was short, it was intense.
I just put the children to bed and the wind really picked up, and a lot of banging and movement going on outside.
Going out to check on her property, she quickly realised her roof had blown away.
The wind was quite noisy. I didn't realise that the roof was gone. I didn't hear it go. This was the worst I've seen. It was like a cyclone, actually.
But SES says Wugula Street had it worse. Locals today describing it as a once-in-a-lifetime weather event, waking up this morning to messes like this. The storm cell hit some parts of town, while other areas in Cowra didn't even have a single drop of rain.
Like a mini tornado which will just hit one area.
While the cleanup is expected to last several days, there was a silver lining.
People didn't get hurt. This is a major thing. We can repair that.
And for now, everyone is helping out, even the local kids. Christopher Tan, Prime 7 News.